Yes, how to play Papa Lolo rhythm. One thing that I would like us to understand is to completely stop cramming some notes or the way songs are played by some other people, or you keep your eyes there seeing, okay, anashika note gani. Please, let's stop that, because that will take you nowhere and it will only make you a slave, a guitarist who is a slave of some other people. That ndio ucheze anything, you need to go and watch, not even listen. Actually, it is watch until you see, okay, anashika hii note gani, una pause kidogo, unashinda ukirudia mara mingi sana. So this is what we do before you even think of playing the notes in a song. First, know what are the chords. Okay, so for example, in that song, iboni panganga babelela dokie utuwe ini mokolo ya bandoki bangala kazambeo soto taini makolo la soto bapemi makabo naleli mama naleli papa naleli mama naleli papa Papa Lolo Papa kiyo wapiyo Papa Lolo Papa kiyo wapiyo. So that's all you need to understand. That wimbo wenyewe hata ukisikiza tu progression ni 1 4 and then 5 then back to 4. I repeat, 1, this is D. Remember from how we hold the D here. So ni vile tu nimeshikana kidole moja nikaondoa bass, nikaondoa hii bass, so nikaleta hapa, so that is D. And then you have your 4, and then ukiwa hapa tunaona hii, si your 5 ni hii, so this is 5 na 4 tumeona ni hii, so utakuwa 1 4 5 4. Are we together? Now once you understand that, now you can go ahead and listen. Okay, as we play. Well, I don't know the lyrics so well, but I need you to understand about how to play it, even if it is yourself who is singing or someone else. Now, after you understand the progression, it's now how you go ahead to play the notes. Now you can listen how it is played. Together, but usikimbie kuchukua tu video, unataka kuona hizo notes na hujaelewa hata progression yenyewe inakaaje.